Your new go-to appliance. The All-in-1 Aria replaces your deep fryer, microwave, toaster, convection oven, and more while reducing fat in your food by up to 90% and eliminating the need for oil. Spacious Family-Sized Capacity. Multiple cooking levels allow you to cook for the entire family or all your guests. Fit multiple 12 pizzas, a juicy chicken, sizzling vegetables, a whole cake, and much more. Dehydrate fruit, meat, and more. Dry and preserve your favorite fruits, vegetables, and meats conveniently at home using ingredients you trust. Make delicious fruit and vegetable chips, meat jerky, dry herbs, and other healthy snacks you can store for later. You can also make dried dog treats for your pet to enjoy. Rotating Rotisserie Included. Enjoy even and thoroughly seasoned results with the included rotating attachments, which gently spin your food 360 degrees while cooking. Rotating Cage Included. For evenly seasoned fries, vegetables, nuts, and smaller ingredients. Preset Beset. One-tap presets curated by our chefs for popular functions like cooking chicken, vegetables, desserts, dehydration, fish, fries, and more. No guilt, no guesswork, just great food. Internal lamp expansive window. Keep an eye on your ingredients with a glance while cook with the bright internal light and steam-resistant window. You don't have to bend over, and the lamp is easily replaceable. Exclusive chef-curated recipe book. No guilt, no guesswork. Our full-color cookbook has exclusive mouth-watering recipes so you can get started out of the box, curated by the champions of ABC's family food fight. It also has your favorite classic recipes along with vegan and keto options from Chef Mario Fabri. Internal lamp expansive window. Keep an eye on your ingredients with a glance while cook with the bright internal light and steam-resistant window. You don't have to bend over, and the lamp is easily replaceable. Top reviews from the United States. Best air fryer I have seen. Everyone raves about Ninja air fryers, which are amazing, but many are limited as to the quantity or size they are or what they can do. This one cooks better than any other. You can get the best fries by using an air-propelled avocado oil on them, then using the basket to cook. Just push a button and walk away and they're perfect. This is the second one we have gotten. You can bake, air fry, do kebabs, rotisserie. You can do pretty much anything with this, including cooking eggs. The only setback is that it is a square. Yes, you have plenty of area for food because it has 3 levels, but it is on the smaller size inside if you're just using one rack. Great for dehydrating food, making jerky, fruit strips. Highly recommend.